These are the news update of the special military operation in Ukraine on 10th August 2022. Russian airspace forces launched the high-precision weapon destroyed one ammunition depot of the 54th Mechanized Brigade in Krasnogorivka, Donetsk People's Republic, says Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson. Ukrainian lost 30 servicemen and 6,000 artillery shells and mortars of the various calibers and 7 vehicles in a single operation. Russian airspace forces struck on a temporary deployment point of the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Adriivka, Kharkov region, and at least 100 nationalists and over 20 of the military equipment have been destroyed. Other things, the 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine has lost its combat near Pasky, Donetsk People's Republic. 70% of the personnel have been eliminated. The government mobilized the citizens to replace the soldiers. Unfortunately, most of them refused to move to the line and deserted. Operational, tactical, and army aviation message troops and artillery strikes continue against the military facilities in Ukraine. 5 posts had been hit, including those of 56th Air Mobile Brigade near Adriivka, Kherson region, the National Guard Kortitsa regime in Kuzhugum, Zaporozhye region, Aidar Nationalist Information in Novolesolivka, Donetsk People's Republic, and the 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade in Nikolaev City. 7 ammunition missiles and artillery weapon depots have been destroyed in Nikolaevka, Perodovka, Fiemka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kuzhuzum in Zaporozhye region. 1 Gepard anti-aircraft missiles and gun systems supplied to Kiev regime by the Germany have been destroyed near Novopolovka, Nikolaev region. In addition, 1 launcher of the Ukrainian S-300 anti-aircraft missile system has been destroyed near Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic. As part of the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian platoons of the Great Multiple Rocket Launcher System, as well as 2 artillery platoons of D-20 guns and 2 platoons of the D-30 howitzers at firing position near Kirovo, Seveks, and Verkhe-Kamenskoye of Donetsk People's Republic have been suppressed. Russian airspace forces fighter aircraft have been shot down 3 Ukrainian Air Forces aircraft in aerial combat over the territory of Nikolaev region, 1 Su-25 near Novoporivtorovka in MiG-29 over Troitskovo, Safonovo, and 1 Su-27 near Novolesye. Russian air defense destroyed 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Chervony Yar, Adriivka, Permomaiskoye, Fernopole, Novoye in Kharkov region, Ivanovka, Pesky, Farelkonovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and on the western outskirts of Donetsk city. In addition, 2 Torskayu ballistic missiles have been shot down in the near Ovakrinky, Kherson region, and 7 shells of HIMARS multiple rocket launcher system near Novaya Kakhovka, Lubinovka, and Chervony Mayak, Kherson region. 4 shells of Smerch multiple rocket launcher system have been intercepted near Veleshnikud, Nikolaev region. 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,720 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,283 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 794 multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,286 field artillery and mortars, 4,807 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation. On the other side, Ukraine authorities report the Russians also lost big number of war equipment until day 168. 232 aircraft, 193 helicopters, 1,811 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 261 multiple rocket launcher system, 3,005 vehicles fuel tanks, 766 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 185 cruise missions.